Well, hello everyone and welcome back. Last week, as you know, we were in Lombok exploring around there and we had a great sail back to Lombok. This week we leave Schiehallion on a mooring buoy, rent a motorbike and explore the south coast of Lombok. Marie finds a snail, finally gets a hot shower, watches some water buffaloes and we meet the friendly surfer kids. So today we are getting a little boat over to Lombok. Just behind us is Pulau Asahan and we left Schiehallion here and we're going over to the mainland just to go on a bit of an adventure. We're just going to walk down the road and ask locals and try and find a motorbike. We want to see the south coast. The south coast is super windy and rough at this time of year, so we thought it was better to go with a motorbike and explore it instead of sailing down there. The boat's safe here, it's a super sheltered little anchorage and we're actually on the mooring buoy of Nautilus Eco Resort. So they kindly let us use their mooring buoy and we'll go for 2 or 3 days and yeah, join us for this little adventure. Enjoy! So what's the plan now?
We're gonna walk for a while. Normally there's a dive place, if I remember well, and we're gonna rent a motorbike over there.
Yeah, we'll see what happens. There's no organised rental places around here, so you just normally ask a local, especially in these COVID times. They're pretty happy to earn some extra money, and yeah, there's no paperwork, no signatures, no deposit. You just agree on a price and you pay when you bring the motorbike back. It's all very trustworthy and very cool.
So we find a place to rent the bike. We have this beautiful scooter for 2 days. So we're gonna take the road and visit a little bit.
The cheapest one ever, 50,000 per day. That's about €3, maybe. Pretty cool. Oh, the dog fight. Go dogs.
Good dog.
Just running around like a little pony.
Yeah, there's a beautiful view over there.
We just pulled off the road right here. This is craziest beach. It's just nothing. There's a few shacks here and some people living here and a guy fishing there. Marie's filming a sea snake. It's just this beautiful beach. Anywhere else in the world? No, not anywhere. There's plenty of places, but still, it's pretty unusual to have such a beautiful beach. Big lagoon, perfect. There's swell out here for surfing. And yeah, nothing here. for you?
I think it's too big. It's not really nice. Hello.
Yeah, ini. Okay, okay. Hang loose. Ah, nama? Dimas.
Saya. Messi.
Masih. Rio. Rio. Angga. Ah. How do you like their hooker system? I think they are breathing a fair bit of oil in there. No filters, no oilless pumps, just full on natural straight from a compressor from the garage. Crazy.
Good Kilapamura. Don't eat that.
Oh yeah, get the shot, babe. Oh, you know. Ah, that's the shot. Look back at me, babe. Make love. Oh yeah, did we get it? Did we get it? Oh yeah, I think my lips look amazing here. Now let's do it again. Let's do it again. Yeah, come on. Here we go. Pretend you're pulling me towards the waves. Let's go into the waves together. It's going to be so amazing. Oh yeah. Look back at me. I think this shot's never been done before. This is definitely new. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Oh, is it good? Is it good? Not really stoked. There we go. You follow me a little bit. There we go. Does my butt look good? Does my butt look good? Oh, look at that. Look at that. That's it. Pose. Look over your shoulder. That's it. Look back. Look back. Look back. Yes. Beautiful. I think this one's going to be a hit, babes. What are we going to hashtag? Babes at the beach. Oh yeah, again. Yeah. Never have too many, just in case. You're so beautiful, babe. Look, check it out. Check it out. I think I'm going to be Instagram boyfriend of the year.
So where you from? Where you from?
From Switzerland.
Switzerland.
What about you? Where are you from?
I'm from here. Yeah, I'm living in here.
You go fishing now?
So I am work baby lobster.
Ah.
Baby lobster like small.
Ah, like shrimps.
Yeah, like here.
So you stay on the little platform?
Yes. Baby lobster.
Ready.
Okay, see you tomorrow.
Have fun!
So tonight we're gonna sleep out of the boat. It's really long time. We're gonna have hot shower that's really amazing. And we really thanks the COVID because we have an amazing hotel room for 200,000 rupiah, like about 12 euros for the night.
Show us around.
Super cute place. And hot shower! It's gonna be so cool. And we have even a small swimming pool.
Is that a good shower?
Yeah, amazing. Like, I was not even able to turn the hot shower because I don't even know how works the shower now. But that's pretty amazing to have a hot shower, feeling really clean.
Hello, my name is Elissa Jertsen. I'm the director at Plastic Kembali in Selang Balanak, Lombok. We make recycled products, arts and goods out of polypropylene, HDPE, LDPE, all kinds of plastic. Today we're doing a weaving class with our local employees. Everything here is made with either scrap fabric and recycled bags or all plastic bags. In addition, we make things like bowls, trays, coasters, tiles. All of that we melt in a commercial oven, or we use a machine called an injection molding machine. Our goal is to give single-use plastic a second life and our planet a second chance. And in the meantime, we hope to really encourage and inspire people of all ages, but especially the kids here in Lombok, on how we can really keep this place as beautiful as it always has been. We get our plastic by buying plastic from locals here. Every Sunday there's a local vegetable market that we have a table and we buy plastic from locals. We're buying straws, water cups, bottle tops. In addition, we work with recycling companies across Indonesia to buy processed recycled plastic. The main goal here in Lombok, though, is to work with the locals to clean up the community and then repurpose that plastic into new products. So we're creating a circular economy, so everything that you see on the ground can actually be made into something new and something beautiful.
Fuck boy.